Okay, here we are, finally, in the basement. Here's the air systems, which are classed as okay. You see we've got a network error at the moment, so it looks like it might be fixing itself. There's the boiler, which is currently switched on. Look at that, network has fixed itself. Here's the hot water tank. Here's the main wells.
Okay.
Show well 1.
Showing well 1.
So here we can see the flow of the water that comes in. Red shows the flow of the inlet pipes running down. See, running behind these pipes and into the heat exchanger. The green one then shows the flow out through the condenser circuit. Here they flow back through the condenser circuit, and then the yellow is the flow back out into the well. Show well 2.
Showing well 2.
And we have the same for the second well. So again, light blue shows the liquid coming in. You can see the flow going out to the condenser, coming back into purple, and then the blue shows it going back to the well. Hide wells.
Okay.
Toggle boiler. Toggle boiler.
Boiler.
Show boiler. Toggle boiler.
Boiler.
Similarly with the boiler supply.
Toggle boiler.
Boiler.